Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create manual journal here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to the left panel and just click on Accountant. Okay. Under Accountant, we have here manual journals. Okay. So what you do is just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you can go ahead and click on Create New Journal right here at the center of your screen, or at the top right, you have New. So just click on it. Now go ahead and fill in the required fields or all of the fields. Okay, you have here the date, journal number. This one right here is automatic, but if you want to, you can go ahead and change it from here. Just use the settings. Reference number, add it right here, and the notes. Okay, and then once done, we have here the reporting method. It could be an accrual in cash, or accrual only, or even cash only. The currency right here, you will have a drop down. Just select one and select an account. Okay, it could be from my sample petty cash right here, add a description. Okay, the contact, the transaction type, the tax if you have set it up under your settings, the debits, and the credits. Okay, the difference will be right here at the bottom. Now, if you want to add in some more accounts, just go ahead and do so, and you can go ahead and add in some new rows as well, as many as you can. All right, and once that's done, if you want to, you can go ahead and save as draft or save and publish. But before you publish, make sure that the debit and credit right here is equal. Okay, we have here, for example, advanced tax, A, contact, same contact, sales as well, and maybe debit right here is about 500. Now it's equal. Now you can go ahead and click on save and publish. There you go. That is how you create a manual journal here in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.